Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to work with the main dashboard of the trust, Capital Broker, step by step. When we enter the trading dashboard in this broker, on the left side of the broker you will see a menu that includes main options such as deposit and withdrawal, trading accounts, tools and platforms, and training and support. Each of these includes subcategories. Currently, we are in the main dashboard section where your username is displayed. In this section, you can see the e-wallet, which shows the balance of your electronic wallet account. It shows that the current account balance is 0. Besides, the View Statement button is also available for viewing the details of your wallet transactions. The next section is the MetaTrader account, which displays your trading account information in MetaTrader, including the account number and usable margin. This section shows your active MetaTrader account. You can view the details of the trading account, which include equity, margin, and account balance in this section. At the top of the page, you will see the Deposit Now button, which allows you to deposit funds into your account. By clicking on this button, you can deposit money into your account, and it will connect you to the account recharge page. We will return to that shortly. In the My Trading Journal section, you can record and review your trades. It includes options for selecting the account type, instruments, and trade scheduling. In this section, bar and pie charts are available to display the status of your trades. Currently, no trades have been made. On the right side of the page, you can see the broker's working hours, which provide information about a support site available from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. GMT. +4, and on the right side of the page there is a WhatsApp icon for direct contact with the broker's support. In the deposit and withdrawal section, you can see two subsections, deposits and withdrawals and transaction history. This section is used for managing the financial transactions of the account. And here you enter the page related to deposits and withdrawals, where you can choose the desired method to select either deposit or withdrawal. And in the transaction history section, you can view your transaction history by filtering the costs and entering details, which include the trading account number and the desired date. You can select and view your transactions with details in this section. The next option is My Trading Account. This section shows the list of your trading accounts, the ability to view account information. In this section, you can view capital management, deposit funds, and account settings. Currently, we have one trading account with the broker Trust Capital. And at the top of the page, you can create a new trading account in your MetaTrader. The next option is Tools and Platform, which has 4 subcategories: Market News, MetaTrader, Economic Calendar, and RX Calculator. We enter the page related to Market News. In this section, you can see news and economic analyses that have a direct impact on your trades, and in the next section, the MetaTrader section, you will find direct links to download or access the MetaTrader 4 or 5 platform, which is available for Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The next section is the Economic Calendar, which displays important economic events such as NFP news, interest rates, and inflation data that affect the Forex market and stocks. The next option is the Forex Calculator, where you can see tools for calculating trade volume, margin, PIP, and swap for better risk management. In this section, you select the desired symbol and enter the details related to your symbol, and by clicking the Calculate option, it displays these items for you. The next section is Education, which includes the Forex Mentor subcategory that contains educational courses. In this section, by registering and entering your personal information, you can benefit from personal mentorship. And after completing the form, they will contact you and guide you in this regard. The next section is related to the profile in the About Me section. In this section, personal information that you entered during registration can be viewed, and from the About Me section, you can manage the details of your personal information. The next item is My Documents, which pertains to your identity verification. Considering that the identity verification process for this account has already been completed and we have uploaded the documents, in this section you are able to upload documents. We have explained the details regarding document upload and identity verification fully in the A verification video. The next item is change password, where you cannot change your password and security settings from this section. By entering your current password and then entering a new password, you can change your password. The next item is manage subscriptions, which usually refers to managing subscriptions and payments related to your account with the broker. In this section, as you can see, news related to deposits and withdrawals will be sent to you via email and SMS. If you wish to receive emails or messages regarding news, promotions, market insights, and others, you can enable this option to receive notifications. And the last section, which is the support section, is used in the Contact Us part to communicate with the broker's support team. In this section, you enter the subject and explain your issue in this section. By selecting the I am not a robot option, you submit the ticket and they will contact you via email. So the next option is related to the FAQ, which pertains to frequently asked questions. In this section, the most common user questions are answered, and by filtering this option, you can access the common questions. By clicking the Home option, we return to the main trading dashboard. At the top of the page, as you can see, are the profile-related items that we explained to you. By clicking the Back to Website option, we return to the main page of the Trust Capital website. We return to the trading dashboard. And from this section, by clicking the Get Help option, you can receive support from Trust Capital. And the last option, which is related to log out. By clicking this option, you will completely log out of your trading account in the Trust Capital broker. At the bottom of the page, by clicking on this option here, you will be connected to the live chat support of Trust Capital broker. In this section, by entering your first and last name, email address, contact number, and selecting your desired topic, you can connect to the relevant support agent and start a chat with the agent by clicking the Start Chat option. We close the page, and at the bottom of the page, when you scroll, you will see the activity chart. This section is part of the dashboard that shows you the deposit and withdrawal history over a specified time period, and by clicking the deposit or withdrawal option. It allows you to filter the type of transaction. Overall, this section is used to review the financial activities in your trading account. Well, that was a complete explanation regarding the trading dashboard of Trust Capital Broker. If you encounter any questions or need further explanation on any part, ask us in the comments. Wishing you success and profitability.